In this guide, I'm going to go ahead and answer the question whether or not the iPhone 16 does have a fingerprint sensor. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, fingerprint sensors can obviously be super useful, especially if you used an older phone with Touch ID. They let you unlock your phone, confirm purchases, and verify your identity quickly and securely. However, the iPhone 16 does not have a fingerprint sensor. Apple has completely moved away from the Touch ID on the main iPhone lineup. Instead, the iPhone 16 uses Face ID as its biometric security method. Face ID does everything Touch ID used to do and more, and you can actually use it to unlock your phone, approve App Store purchases, confirm Apple Pay transactions, and sign into apps and accounts. To actually set it up, just open up your settings and then scroll down on here and you're going to see an option for Face ID and passcode. Simply go ahead and open this up. And you'll be able to set it up within here. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Whenever it is enabled, it's going to work automatically just by looking at your phone. And while the iPhone 16 doesn't include a fingerprint scanner, Face ID is so much faster, a lot more secure, and more convenient for most users. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.